What did you do last night?
Nothing.
The education level that you will earn here is at a high standard.
They can start right away. And in fact, our major is geared towards students being involved right in that first year, because we have several classes to take that help set up a path for success for the rest of the courses over the course of their 4-year time here.
They get hands-on experience, which means they're touching the light board, they're touching the sound board, they're in the costume shop creating the costumes. They're not just watching someone else do it and learning it, they're actually doing it.
For example, I took Intro to Tech last semester, which involved learning the basics of pretty much every technical aspect of theater, kind of getting little bits and pieces of each one and learning the basics of it, as well as working in the scene shop. I also took Intro to Costumes, getting to help build the costumes for the shows last semester, as well as taking like Intro to Design and Directing. As a performer, you rarely just perform. You are involved with a lot of things and oftentimes many things at once. So getting familiar with all of those is really important.
And you'd be hard-pressed to find another college that has the same sort of resources. So you get hands-on experience in these high-impact practices where we're working with state-of-the-art equipment and state-of-the-art facilities.
Well, I think it goes without saying that when you walk into the Pablo, it's grand.
I knew that I could possibly have a class here, and I was like, that is such a cool opportunity. Like, I need to have that opportunity.
Make sure that you're saying yes, right? Let her come to you, right?
I think what really sets Eau Claire apart is the opportunities, not just in terms of performance, but in terms of just getting to learn. Like, you get to do everything.
And our major is geared to set people up to do multiple things, because in our estimation, that helps students be the most well-rounded and valuable once they leave the university.
Selfishly, this is incredible. Absolutely off the charts incredible. I really enjoy working here, and I think that the students really enjoy being here.
There's so many opportunities here that I'm like still finding new ones every day, and it's crazy to me. Like, little Addie Kobeck would be so proud to like look at me today and to see where I am, and I'm really excited to like keep doing that.